guys, as you know, the energy market is huge. All these energy drinks popping up, some healthy, some unhealthy, but people need energy and they're looking for ways to get energy. And this is one of the healthiest lines of products that help you do that. I take my Super Greens every afternoon and it just gives me that extra boost. The coffee in the morning is awesome. The Super Reds, the aminos, just awesome products. So that pack is available on the site as well. So let's move on to what I know all of you guys are waiting to hear. And that is our new system to help you really market this business, share these products, and take it to just a whole nother level. So I'm going to turn on my share screen here and show you what we got. So a lot of you guys have heard of a power line system. A lot of you guys have been in our power line systems in the past. Ryan, am I doing this right? Can you see what
you got it.
So yeah, and you guys know, let me try to refresh this. I think Chris added the video. Yeah, there it is. There's my beautiful mug. So this is the landing page. So keep in mind, we put this together. We wanted to have it ready to announce tonight, but we're still cleaning some things up. Everything works and is functional. Just might look a little bit not perfect yet, but definitely plenty strong enough to start marketing. So I'm going to change the video or the image that shows up on there. But so this is the landing page. Everyone has it. Everyone has it now. It's live. It's called livegoodtour.com/your username. livegoodtour.com. And we'll have that in your back office as well. I'm not sure if that's there yet. So livegoodtour.com/founder. That's where you send people. When they go here, they can click on this video to watch the video. When they do that, guys, all of you want to watch this video. It's about 5.5 minutes long. It is pretty freaking awesome. People who see this video are going to pre-enroll and they're going to join because they don't want to miss out. So the way the power line works, and I know a lot of you guys, again, are familiar with power lines that Nader and I have built in the past. A lot of you guys have been part of them and understand the speed at which they grow and the volume at which they grow and how many people like to join, especially this early in the game. So the way this power line works, we've also changed the compensation plan. So I've actually changed it to a 2x15 forced matrix. And the reason we did that is because it helps the most amount of people make the most amount of money.
Yes.
Nader agrees. And yeah, I mean, you guys know our history, our track record. We've seen every kind of compensation plan, every price point, everything in this industry, how a power line feeds into it, how a power line works with it. So this is a single power line that feeds into a 2x15 matrix. And I know that's kind of over a lot of people's heads. When you watch the video on that site, on livegoodtour.com/your username, watch the video. It literally explains, after a couple minutes of talking about the industry, the timing, all that stuff, it shows you exactly how the power line works and how the matrix works. So the sooner you lock in your position in the power line, the sooner you get placed in the matrix. Now we anticipate, okay, so once you pre-enroll, I'm showing you all guys all this right now. Once you pre-enroll, this is the page you'll see. Thursday is the cutoff. I'm actually going to change this. We're not going to do a cutoff this Thursday because it's only 2 days away. We're going to extend this first cutoff period until next Thursday, and then it'll be every week, every Thursday night. So this time you got a little opportunity to really crank up that power line. And I mean, I believe next Thursday we'll literally have thousands of people upgrading, actually, you know, throughout the week, that will be placed in the matrix on that day. So this is what it's going to look like when you pre-enroll. You can, here, I got it all lined up. Okay, once you pre-enroll also, this page will be a little condensed. This shouldn't have scrolly. People will be sent, and we have the whole email series to send them there, to securemyposition.com. This is where pre-enrollees put in their email so they can then see their power line. Oh, I got some other stuff I want to show you too. So when you click on my power line here, I don't know if I'm logged in or not. We'll try it. May or may not work. Okay, it does. So we just turned it on. There's 3 pre-enrollees and already 1 paid member. You click here, it'll show you all the pre-enrollees and members that are under you in the power line. And this number, these will continue to count, these pre-enrollees. So I mean, next week it'll probably be 10,400 or something members, and it's going to continue to grow. So each week, when you lock in your position, you move to the top of the power line and get placed in the matrix. If you don't lock in your position by Thursday, this is for pre-enrollees, you miss out and everyone below you gets placed in the matrix before you. Now, all of you guys who are already affiliates, you will be placed in the matrix. Now, to upgrade your position in the power line, you must sign up as an affiliate and a member for $9.95. Now, we are upping the affiliate fee from $20 to $40. So it's now $40 plus $9.95 to join. So $49.95. Commissions are the same percentage. So now, instead of getting $10 when you sign someone, you actually get $25 on the $49. So because you get 50% of the 40 and 50% of the first month $9.95. So you sign up 2 people. I'll let Nader talk a little bit more about it. You got your money back. You can actually earn, as it says here in the power line, over $2,000 a month without enrolling a single person if you happen to have enough people placed under you. When you enroll people, you can up that significantly. I'll show you the new compensation plan here briefly. Trying to move through fast stuff because we got a lot of excitement here, guys. So this is kind of how the matrix pays. It starts out with 12 levels. Enroll a couple people. This is actually wrong. It should say 4,000 here. We got to update that. All the way up to $16,000 a month in the matrix, plus unlimited matching bonuses, infinite levels deep in your matrix. And we'll do a compensation plan call to explain that exactly. But that means, you know, we're going to have people making probably over $50,000 a month on this little $10 a month program. It's huge. We've also added for retail commissions, we've added, so these are the same as they were before, 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. I know I'm moving fast. We've added an influencer bonus. So for someone who just wants to retail product to customers, you're still going to get the 50% of the difference. So for example, if it's a $18 member price, $28 retail price, there's a $10 difference. You get 50% of it. That's $5. You can also earn up to an additional 50% for 100% of the difference. So if there's a $10 difference between retail and member, you get the whole thing. And that doesn't take away from all these other levels, these other 10 levels of commissions that go to the people above. So we're actually paying out like 120, 130% of the difference for influencers. So it takes a little bit away from the margins, but that's okay. We want to reward people and see people be successful. This diamond pool is going to be huge. We kept that in there. What else do I want to show? Oh, I'll let Nader talk about that one. Oh, well, since I kind of mentioned it. Okay. With the influencer thing, we've added, here's another announcement, another site. This is a retail only site. It's called shoplivegood.com.
Yes.
Nader, you want, here, I'll let Nader talk about it. Real quick, Nader, you got 38 seconds, go.
38 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the deal. We love sharing our products with people, but we do want to get paid on it. I want you to make money. We already given unbelievable prices. So what we did is we created a website for you just so you can send your customers that are paying, let's say $120 for a 1,500 milligram CBD from somewhere else. You can offer them our products at retail price, a third of what the other companies charging, and they will not see the member price. We wanted to do that, just like Ben said, because there's so many people out there that they're like, you know what, I want to help my friends out, but it's okay that they're paying a third instead of a fourth. So we offering this to you so you can go out there and tell the world about our products and make that cheddar, make that money, make that extra money that's there for you, which is the percentage of the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price. Ladies and gentlemen, that is going to create some massive checks, especially as it grows. Back to you, Ben, 37 seconds.
Yeah, some people are going to be super excited about this. Some people aren't even going to use it. Totally your choice. But this page, it only shows the retail prices. It does not show the member prices. So anyone you send to this page will be a retail customer if they place an order. Now, back to what I started to say. All of you who are currently affiliates but not members will be placed in the matrix. But we are requiring everyone who is in the matrix to be a member or to retail $50 worth of product. So you have until, so we're going to place you in the matrix so you don't lose out. You're not going to lose your position if you're not a member tonight. You'll have until the end of the month to either become a member for $9.95 a month, which everyone should do because you're going to save more than that as soon as you order any of the products. Or you could retail, you could use the shoplivegood.com site if you want, / your username, retail $50, and you get to, that's per month to maintain your position in the matrix. If you are not a member or don't have the volume qualifications on the retail side to match that, you will be removed from the matrix and the people below you will actually move above you. And that's another cool part of the matrix, is that there's no breakage. So people can actually move up in the matrix if their upline drops out. So don't let that happen, guys. Millions of people will be joining this company in the next few years. The only place for them to go is under everyone who's already in there. So you guys are not just early. I mean, you're pre-early. You are super early. Nobody knows about this opportunity yet. When this Powerline video starts to circulate and people see it, so I'm telling you, you guys want to be the one to show people, because when they see that video, guys, they're in. They're in. And when you see it, you're going to be like, oh my God, I need to send this to everybody I know. It is awesome. So definitely share that. That's pretty much all we've got. This is a lot of stuff, guys, but use this Powerline. It's huge. The compensation plan is huge. You can make money without enrolling people. You can make a lot more if you decide to share it. So I think that pretty much wraps it. Oh, yeah.
Yo, Ben.
Yo, did I lose you?
No, I'm right here.
All right. I'm choking on.
Yeah, don't die on us right now. We need you, bro. All right, so
okay, go ahead.
Don't forget the bronze.
Oh, yeah. Okay. When you enroll 2 people, we talked about you get your money back. We also made that the rank qualification for bronze, enrolling 2 people.
That's huge.
That's huge. You actually triple your earning potential by enrolling 2 people in the matrix, because not only do you double your matrix commissions, but you also earn 50% matching bonuses on each of those 2 people. So triple your income potential up to, instead of $2,000 a month, you can make over $6,000 a month just by enrolling 2 people. Plus, you're going to get your money back that fast. So I think that covers it. We talked about Shop Live Good, Powerline, video, landing pages. Oh, we're adding a reviews page so people can see the feedback that people have had with the product. So if you've had a great experience with the products, you can leave a review on the site. Just gives people a little bit more confidence when they are shopping for products. Product videos and landers, we didn't really talk about that. You guys saw the Super Reds video. We're making one of those for each one of our products, because different products appeal to different people. And each one of our products is powerful, is unique, is really something that people need. So we're going to have landing pages that you can actually lead with for each one of those products. And, you know, again, some people are going to be attracted to the Super Red. Some people are going to be attracted to magnesium. Some people are going to be attracted to CBD, coffee. All the products, you know, have different benefits. And I guarantee you, if people don't like one of them, something's wrong with them, because these products are amazing. So we talked about the Powerline, the Matrix, new pay plan, Factor 4. I think that's it. Ryan, you got anything else?
Yeah, I got one thing. So we said we're going to do roundtable discussions every month. We're going to take the top 10 or however many of the questions that are coming in. We're going to review them in a video chat. So that'll be coming out in January.
Awesome. Nader, do we forget anything?
Well, let me think over here. I just want to add something. 20 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, let's be clear on this. You know, Ben and I have been looking at the numbers for the past 6 months. We've been doing this for a long, long time. We got together. We're like, what can we do to help our pioneers, our early birds even happier? So we looked at all the companies that we've launched and helped launch and own. And we're like, okay, let's find the right compensation plan that pays the new people the fastest check possible. That's what we did with your back end. So we want you to know that, by the way, this power line system that we're giving you, other companies charge $19.95. I've seen them as high as what, $29.95 a month then? And we're giving them to you as a part of your one-time $40 entry fee. Just think about this. There's what, 350 million people in the US, ladies and gentlemen. 350 million people in the US. And because of what happened in the past couple of years, everybody wants to get healthy and stay healthy. And we're going to show them how to do it in an affordable way. What's 1% of 350 million, Ben? You're the math guy.
It's a lot of
people. Ladies and gentlemen, put that in that matrix. Put that in that diamond pool. That's 3.5 million people giving us $9.95 a month so they can stay healthy in an affordable way. That's a lot of people, right, Ben?
That is a lot of people. Hey.
Oh gosh, what? Dude,
how many people are in the whole world?
Hold on, let me check. 7.3 billion.
Is that more than 300 and something million?
What are you doing, dude?
All right, guys, we got one more secret announcement. So the last month, we have been shipping product internationally to about 30 of our friends around the world to see if they will have been received. Every single one of them got the products.
Yes.
So we are opening 100% internationally in every single country on the planet. Right now, we're open. Game on, guys. So let me just clarify a couple things. Shipping is going to be a little bit slower. Obviously, it takes longer. We're shipping everything from the United States. It's not for resale, as we talked about. So you can't stockpile product and retail it. It's just for personal use. And shipping costs might be a little bit more for different countries. There also may be in some countries, I know there's duties or other that you may have to pay. The prices of the product are very low, so that should be minimal. Most of the countries we shipped to didn't have to deal with any of that. A few of them did, full disclosure. But once we get some traction, we'll see where groups develop. And we've, Nader and I have a lot of experience. We've got the distribution centers, we've got the warehouses, we've got the connections in all over the world to easily and quickly open up shipping centers anywhere. So once we get some traction in different areas, different countries, different regions, we'll do that. For now, everything's going to ship from the US, and everyone in the world is in play. We've also got an international payment solution called iPayout that everyone can get paid in their own currency, either onto a card or direct deposited into their bank account. So we're ready to rock, guys.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you, guys. All right, so go get it. livegoodtour.com/username. Watch that video, get it out there. That's all we got. Have an awesome night. Ryan, if you want to open it up so everyone can say goodbye, that would be awesome. And we'll see you guys at the top. Let's crush this.
Let's go. Thank you. Take care.
Hey, great. Amazing.
Jab.
Awesome.
Go get your two. It's all about two.
All right. Good night, guys. See you at the top.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Wow, awesome.
Night.
Yes.
Thank you.
International, baby.
Yeah, let's go get it, baby.
Worldwide.
Genius.
Good job, guys.